hail Biafra! All hail Biafra!
The President of the United States, Joe Biden, I think you need to do a rethink. How can you insult me by giving that kind of money and even giving money to Nigeria to insult and attack my people? Something has to give, and I'm not exactly sure, but I do know that I don't like that at all. I am a Biafran-American, and I am a soldier, a Vietnam veteran. We're looking for all the other soldiers. We are recruiting. That's correct. We are recruiting Biafrans who are now in the United States Army, Marines, Navy, you name it. We're calling upon you to call in because we need you. It's our country, doggone it, for crying out loud. And our president is giving money to the Fulani people to kill us. We have to do something. We have to say something. We have to say more than what we're doing now. Let me go ahead and close my brother.
Sad.
We're sacrificing Nnamdi, Ndidi, moving forward. The entire Biafran mission cannot be around you alone. Too many of our young people are dying. Too many people. I get videos every day. War is coming to us, and we don't have the tools to make sure that we protect ourselves, protect our mothers and children, and protect the Halibu, and protect Biafra. No more games. We will do whatever we have to do because Biafra must come alive.
Yes.
Biafra must come, and we will not allow anybody to stop us. If Joe Biden is going to be giving money to Ukraine, you better give money to Biafra.
Yes, yes.
Not Nigeria. Not in the Fulani. No, sir. Don't give them money to destroy my people when my people are fighting for the United States of America.
Sad.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Yes.
Mr. President, you and I are about the same age. I'm a soldier. You're a civilian. I beg you to change your position. Sister, from Umada, Biafra, worldwide, I've mentioned this before, and I am reiterating what she has done, what she has said. We're not going to take it. Mr. Joe Biden, any congressman, we're coming after everybody who's approving funds for Nigeria. We cannot allow that to happen.
War planes.
You're sending war planes.
War gadgets.
All sorts of gadgets to Fulani, Boko Haram. Even Obama's wife was saying when they captured all those children, give us our children. Who's advising you? Mr. Joe Biden, who is advising you? I say to you, change that course. I pray that anybody who's on YouTube listening to this, send a word to Joe Biden. Don't give Nigeria Fulani weapons, military planes to kill Biafran people. We cannot allow it. My dear brother.
It's not acceptable.
It totally is not acceptable. Biafrans everywhere. This has been a wonderful day. Thank you so much, my brother. You did a great job.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, my warrior. You guys, you have heard all this. This is real. And Mr. President, you have heard from this veteran, from this warrior. And please, may I add to that what Obama, remember, you were second in command with Obama. What Obama did in that fake Nigeria they call, fake place they call Nigeria, please don't go that route. Please don't go that route. That's all I have to tell you. And
Biafra. All hail Biafra.
Biafrans, the die is cast. The wind is blown. Biafra land is completely surrounded by our enemies. They are now going house to house, killing our youth, women, children, men, livestock, burning houses and markets. They will reach your village if not stopped. We must defend our home, protect our mothers, our fathers, sisters, brothers, friends, and our neighbors. No mission is too complicated. We will get the job done. We have sworn to sacrifice our lives if necessary to ensure the survival of Biafra. We did not ask for this, but have been pushed to the wall, while the rest of the world watch, doing nothing as we are being slaughtered. We have cried and begged enough to deaf ears. We cannot make peace with one who wants no peace, but seeking to exterminate us. The only option left is to rise and defend us by all means necessary. Nigeria government, Boko Haram, bandits and herdsmen are one and the same. U.S. government knows this fact. U.S. government has more and better intelligence apparatus than the rest of the world put together. USA government, by selling military hardware, supporting genocide of other ethnicities and Christians by Muslim Fulani-led Nigeria terrorist government. To defend us, we need tools, and to get tools, we need support. Seeking self-defense is not a crime. We must be ready to strike when ordered to do so. From the Defense Structure Central Commander, please support Biafra Defense Fundraise Campaign. It is our duty. We, not the next generation, must get the job done. We did not ask for this, but compelled by necessity to survive. We cannot continue sitting and watching our people crushed or remain enslaved. We have been pushed to the wall, no place else to run to. Self-defense is not a crime. If Ukraine had to defend themselves, we must defend ourselves from the foreign invaders and the imposed governors. Man, we have to do this. This generation, not the next generation. We have to fight for our survival or else be exterminated. Support the Biafra Defense monthly fundraising. We are down, but not out. For the Lord is with us. We need your support now. We need your support now to be ready. We must be proactive. We need tools to defend ourselves. We need tools to defend ourselves. All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra!
ABVet, American-Biafran Veterans Network, Umuada Biafra Worldwide, and Biafran News Anchors approved this message. All hail Biafra!